Hi, I'm Ryan, NorCal Pool Service. In today's video, we are talking about the Pentair IntelliCenter and what to do when your app is offline. Please click like and subscribe in the bottom left-hand corner and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Thanks. The first steps in getting your Pentair Pool app back online with your IntelliCenter are pretty simple. We've gotten several calls from clients regarding this issue, and this happens when Pentair pushes an update to the systems and they need to be reset, just like a laptop needs to be reset after a Windows update. So the first thing that you'll do is you'll come over here and you'll hold the reset button for 10 seconds. The screen is going to shut off and you'll let go as soon as Pentair is displayed, just like that. And the system will reboot, and about 3 to 5 minutes after you reboot, 90% of the time, your app will come back online. You'll also notice that after the reset, you get this little fish icon. If you have this little Pentair fish icon in the top right hand corner, that's telling you that it is online and connected to the internet. If you're still not connected to the internet, you'll want to click settings, scroll down to advanced system configuration, and then to system, and you'll want to verify that your system firmware is version 1.064. If you're not on 1.064, you're not going to be able to connect to the internet. So to fix that, you can go to firmware update, and then you could either check for update, which is typically through the internet, but we're not on the internet right now. So what you'll need to do is go to pentairpool.com and download the IntelliCenter 1.064 firmware, put it on a USB drive, then take that USB drive, plug it into this port right here, and then you can update from USB. The system will pull the 1.064 new firmware off of the flash drive. It will ask you to, once it downloads it, it will ask you to unplug the firmware or unplug the flash drive from the IntelliCenter to finish the update. It will go through another reset process, and you can verify it again by, from the main screen, settings, down to advanced system configuration, and then down to system, and then you should see your new firmware displayed up here, 1.064. Once you have that, you come back, go into network and Wi-Fi setup, internet connection test, and then you're back online. Lastly, if you're still not online, then I would go check the receiver indoors or wherever your router is. There is a Pentair receiver that talks to the system, and a lot of times people unplug it from the wall because they don't know what it is, and that is what causes your system to go offline. So that receiver inside by your router needs to have a power connection to a wall outlet and an Ethernet connection from the receiver to the back of your router. If this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe to our channel, and we would love it if you shared it with your friends. Have a great day. Thanks.